Whether it is for somebody who has less time for cooking or for the bachelor's life, this product is made for all. Today we unbox the Brio Plus Induction Stove by Pigeon. This powerful cooking companion is designed to make your kitchen experience faster, easier and safer. Let's dive right in. At first glance, it looks compact and sturdy with a sleek design, perfect for any kitchen setup. The top is made of durable crystal glass and it has a cool touch surface, ensuring safety while cooking and ease while cleaning. Check out this user-friendly soft push button interface that has 7 power controls ranging from 100 to 240 degrees Celsius. You can use this plus and minus sign to adjust the temperature while cooking manually. Now let's come to the coolest feature. There are 6 preset menus in the Brio Plus Induction Stove. Using these, you can make roti or dosa, cook gravy, stir fry, slow cook or pressure cook, all at the touch of a button. Cooking just got more convenient, didn't it? Here we have the timer for hands-free cooking and of course the power button. You can set the timer, walk away and let the Brio Plus handle the rest. For stability, it has anti-skid feet so it stays in place while you cook. Plus, it features an anti-magnetic wall for added safety, ensuring no radiation hazard. It comes with a 1.25 meter long cord, providing you the flexibility to place it anywhere on your kitchen counter. Not to mention, the Pigeon Brio Plus Induction is energy efficient, saving you 35% more energy compared to gas cooking. To sum it up, the Brio Plus Induction Stove offers powerful 2100 watt heating, advanced cooking with preset menus, user-friendly controls and top-notch safety features like overheat protection and automatic shutoff. It's durable, versatile and makes cooking a breeze. What more could one want? So, if you're looking to upgrade your cooking experience, the Brio Plus Induction Stove by Pigeon is a fantastic choice. Cook healthy, cook smart with Brio Plus.